In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Outlook account in just a few minutes so you can regain access to your emails and important contacts safely. First, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Click on Sign In, then enter the email address linked to your Outlook account. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Next, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. You'll receive a security code via email, phone, or Authenticator app, depending on the recovery options you've set up for your account in the past. Now, enter the verification code Microsoft sends you. Once verified, you'll be able to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you'll remember and use for your Outlook account from now on. After that, if you don't have access to any recovery method, click I don't have any of these on the verification screen. Microsoft will guide you through filling out an account recovery form for further assistance. Once you submit the form, Microsoft will review your information and respond within 24 to 72 hours. If your recovery is approved, you'll receive instructions on how to fully regain access to your account. And that's it. You now know how to recover your Outlook account and protect your important data.